Hi guys, just wanted to share a little project I just put in here a couple weeks ago. It's a Victron 702 battery monitor, and that thing's pretty valuable if you spend any time off grid. If you're boondocking or just out and about and you don't have shore power. The nice thing about this thing is it will show you your current state of charge in a percentage. It will show you how many hours you have remaining, your battery temperatures, your actual voltage of your battery, how many amps you're currently drawing from your battery. And it's real time, so like right now we're drawing 1.67 amps, but if I shut off the lights in here, you'll notice that starts dropping down. And inversely, if I turn on more lights, you'll notice that starts coming up. See, it'll show you how many watts you're using, how many amp hours you've used out of your battery bank since it was last charged, and back to your percentage. And that's a valuable tool. At least for me it is. It also has an app for your smartphone, and you can set up alerts. So you can set up low voltage alerts, low temperature, high temperature. Very versatile. We use solar, this is my solar controller. It's offline. We have 400 watts of solar. Most of your RVs, they come with this little thing here. You can push a button and it just tells you, 4 lights. It's very limited. When you're trying to, make your batteries last, you can actually plan your usage with that thing. Something else I did that some of you may or may not like is you notice this control panel for all my lights and stuff here, and you may have one similar where this is every light switch for my unit. And if I turn off the lights in here at night, you can't see what's going on. So what I did is I added a switch, because these 2 switches weren't used because they're up here, is I took this panel apart and put some lighting, LED lighting behind it. Because the way this was made is the backing was engraved, so it was translucent. So I can turn that on or turn that off, and now we can actually see the switches at night and not have to fiddle. Anyway, I hope y'all find this information on the battery monitor useful. You notice it has a backlight. When you push a button in the settings, you can turn that on and make it stay on 24/7, or it times out. That's a setting you can choose. Mine times out. There's no reason for that backlight for me just to be on all the time when I'm not plugged in, drawing extra current. So I hope that works for you.